Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Chatterbox. It is not just another episode, बल्कि ये है Chatterbox का सीजन 2। इस शो में हम आप लोगों को मिलवाते हैं बहुत सारी सेलिब्रिटीज से और जानते हैं कुछ इनसाइडर्स उनसे। कुछ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं, कुछ एक्टर्स हैं जिन्हें आप अपने छोटे या बड़े स्क्रीन पर देखते आए हैं, लेकिन यहाँ हमारे इस शो में हम उनके साथ करते हैं चटपटी बातें और जानते हैं कुछ फैक्ट्स और कुछ मजेदार बातें उनकी जिंदगी के बारे में। तो आज की हमारी सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट के बारे में मैं आपको क्या बताऊं। इन्होंने 100 से भी ज्यादा टीवी कमर्शियल्स किए हैं, 15 से ज्यादा म्यूजिक वीडियोस किए हैं और ना जाने कितने सारे टीवी शोज किए हैं, जिनमें से कि मोस्ट पॉपुलर हैं झांसी की रानी और पटियाला बेब्स। She is just 19 years old and she is none other than gorgeous Ashnoor Kaur. Hi Ashnoor.
Hello.
Welcome to Chatterbox Season 2.
Thank you.
So Ashnoor, आप इतनी छोटी सी उम्र से काम कर रही हैं। Do you feel like a veteran now?
अरे नहीं, नॉट एट ऑल यार। मुझे तो कितना कुछ करना है अभी, so many things left to do. I just feel that टीवी का स्पेस एज अ चाइल्ड एक्टर मैंने एक्सप्लोर कर लिया है। I was on a break for 3 years because I was doing my college, lived best of both worlds, and now I'm back.
So Ashnoor, I've heard कि आप जितनी अच्छी अदाकारा हैं, आप जितनी अच्छी एक्ट्रेस हैं, उतनी ही अच्छी आप स्टूडेंट भी हैं, and you have scored brilliantly. So would you like to tell us how much you scored?
बेटा लोगों को ऐसा लगता है शो ऑफ कर but I scored 93 in my 10th and 94 in my 12th.
कि मेरा दोनों साल का मिला के भी नहीं था। I swear. That is really amazing, Ashnoor. So would you like to tell us कि जब इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में आपने इस ग्लैमर की दुनिया में कदम रखा, how was your experience? I mean, मैंने बहुत बार लोगों को देखा है कि जब वो इस इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं, they have that air. But whenever I have seen you, whenever I have met you, I've met your family. You all are so grounded.
Thank
so
you.
how it is possible?
मुझे ये लगता है this is something I love to do. It's like a passion for me. So it's not that I'm doing it for the fame or I'm doing it for the glamour aspect of it. I'm doing it because it makes me happy. So I take this as my work, I take this as my profession, and I've always kept my personal and professional life very different. मतलब मैं अभी अपने स्कूल प्रिंसिपल से I just gone to meet her recently and she was like you know whenever you used to come to school ऐसा लगता नहीं था कि अच्छा एक सेलिब्रिटी चाइल्ड आ रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट किसी को ढूंढना पड़ता था कि you know अच्छा वो उधर है. I mean it's just been that I guess a lot of credit also goes to my parents in the way they've kept me grounded. They've actually kept me undergrounded. So yeah, I mean big credits to them, and I guess also because I have been doing both the things. So it's not something जो एकदम से आके मैं boom हुई हूँ या something. You know, just because you're in the industry doesn't mean कि जो छोटे छोटे joys होते हैं life के, छोटे छोटे जो normal moments होते हैं आप उनको miss कर दो.
Being a Punjabi girl, you know, I'm also from Delhi. Tell me कि फैमिली में जब ये पता चला कि आप एक्टिंग कर रहे हो तो कितनी गपशप हुई? You feel के रिलेटिव्स का एटीट्यूड थोड़ा अलग था, कुछ ताने वाने पड़े मम्मी पापा को, या they all were like kind of happy to have you in the industry?
Yeah, touchwood, I have a very supportive family, like all my direct relatives especially. We just come to Bombay, just been like a year, and कभी ऐसे प्लान नहीं किया था इंडस्ट्री में आने का, it just happened. तो when we were on the set for the first time, mom was, she tells me, she used to call everyone, अरे पता है हम कहाँ हैं, हम shoot पे आए हैं. So that happened. But yeah, they've been very supportive. In fact, my nani, you won't believe it, she's like from Punjab, typical है ना. जब मेरा पटियाला waves होता था, and if they would give me like good fitted jeans and stuff, so she would call mom the next day. She's like, अरे पलक का figure बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So that's how my nani is. Like she's super cool. I feel मेरे mom से भी ज़्यादा cool मेरी नानी है. And I feel so blessed to have them. But yes, जो आप बोल रहे थे कि एक relatives का थोड़ा attitude change हो जाता है. Certain distant relatives you can see, not the direct ones, but जो आगे के relatives होते हैं, जो पहले कभी I guess mom dad को you know उतना टच में नहीं रहते या जो भी है, they suddenly started reaching out to them. Mom dad are very this thing कि नहीं ठीक है relatives हैं, but I'm like why, you know, पहले उन्होंने नहीं देखा आपको, एंड नाउ बिकॉज आई एम इन द इंडस्ट्री लाइक अरे मेरी उससे बात कराना, जबकि मैंने कभी उनसे बात नहीं की, एंड दिल भी लाइक अरे पता है मैं कौन हूं. आई वाज लाइक नो, आई नो, आई फील लाइक आई नेवर टॉक टू यू, आई डोंट नो हु यू आर. तो वो होता है, but touchwood I've had a very supportive family.
Yeah, so it used to happen with me also. Exactly the same thing.
Yeah.
The relatives will be like, "पहले तो nobody was okay
Yeah.
that I want to become an actor." There were people like, if she'll become an actor, we won't even entertain you as a family. Like they told my parents. But once I started working and things like worked out and I started doing well, so the same relatives would call me to their place के आना, and then they'll call their distance relatives to like come घर आई है फोटो शोटो करा
That happens.
That happens, I agree. Families, you have been blessed when it comes to family.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit more about your friends now. You're friends with so many actors, you're friends with so many people who are influencers. So how it is between you all? You have competition between you all, या फिर it's all cool, या फिर जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री में कहा जाता है कि हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और कि मतलब अंदर तो competition है लेकिन बाहर बड़ी दोस्ती इंस्टाग्राम पे दिखाई जाती है. तो what exactly you feel about this relationship?
I guess I've been very real when it comes to my friendships. जिनके साथ मेरा एक genuine bond है वो है, जिनके साथ नहीं है वो नहीं है. So in fact I would say कि एक हमारा ना बचपन का friend circle था कि हम सब साथ में बड़े हुए, all the child actors, be it me, Siddharth, Jannat, Avneet, Reem, Roshni, all of us. We started off in TV. We used to party together, सबके birthdays वगैरह पे. So as we grew up, of course everybody is headed to their own direction now. Now I guess the thing is we are in touch, but ये हो गया है कि obviously एक दो लोगों से आपका ज़्यादा bond बन जाता है. I'm close to Chinky Minky as well. But I guess the best part being that whenever we meet, we never talk about work as such. We just chill together, we hang out together. If you talk about content creators, है मेरे फ्रेंड्स उधर, बट मेरा उतना मिलना जुलना उनसे रेगुलर बेसिस पे नहीं होता है, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स आउटसाइड ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री, एंड आई फील दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बैलेंस, बिकॉज सेम इंडस्ट्री में रहकर वही बातें होती हैं, विच इज ऑल्सो गुड, विच इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट, बट यू ऑल्सो नीड अ लाइफ आउटसाइड ऑफ दैट सर्कल. यू नो, व्हेन यू जस्ट are in that phase of okay college में ये हुआ या चल आज ये करते हैं, you know, just living the normal life. As I said, I really value the normal little moments. तो मेरे जितने friends industry में हैं उतने ही friends मेरे बाहर भी हैं. I would again say that I'm also blessed in this way, but then eventually I found some people who were genuine friends to me, like even in college, even in school. I have friends from my school moved abroad now for their studies, but we still talk regularly. So I guess those connections are very important.
Yeah, and I think school college connections are like always the purest that you can have for life.
Right, agree. And in fact, which is why I was so happy that I also took a break from my career for 3 years, because I was like, I really want to enjoy the college life. I've genuinely made such amazing memories in college that I have no regrets of whatever projects I have let go in these 3 years, क्योंकि मुझे ये था कि projects चलो मैं आगे भी कर लूंगी, but these 3 years of college life won't come back. You know how people talk about अरे हम college में ये करते थे या हम school में ये करते थे, तो ये ना हो कि मेरे पास कुछ बोलने के लिए रहा ही नहीं. I have something to say now because I did attend college. So yeah, that's there.
As you said, you always try and maintain this balance between your real and real life. राइट. सो टेल मी, ये जो आजकल के लोग हैं इतना प्रेशर लेते हैं कि सोशल मीडिया पे डालना है, कंटेंट क्रिएट करना है, जो कुछ भी जिंदगी में करते हैं, लाइक यू नो आई कीप सीइंग पीपल इवन इफ दे आर ईटिंग, बिफोर ईटिंग दे विल क्लिक पिक्चर्स, दे आर गोइंग आउट, दे विल क्लिक पिक्चर्स विद फ्रेंड्स, दे वांट टू क्रिएट कंटेंट, मिले हो तो रील बना लेते हैं, बिना मेकअप बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं. सो यू नो, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस? डू यू आल्सो लिव इन दिस प्रेशर या यहाँ पे भी बैलेंस मेंटेन्ड है?
बैलेंस, देखो मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी बैलेंस मेंटेन्ड है, बट बैलेंस मेंटेन करने का एक ट्राई है, की कोशिश है. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट दैट प्रेशर, आई रियली फील इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन आपका एंड गोल क्या है. Like for me, this is something that I do, you know, simultaneously. This is what I do side by side. My main focus is my acting career, and ये side by side I do it for enjoyment. तो मैं उतना pressure नहीं लेती कि अरे ऐसे करना है या वैसे करना है. I mean, a lot of times I post like stories without makeup also. I just be very candid on my Instagram or any social media platform. But I feel a lot of people, जैसे for example अगर food bloggers हो गए तो they will have to click pictures of the food. If there are people who want to create content around, say, their lifestyle, they will have to be a certain way. Having said that, that does not mean that you just are so immersed in what you depict on social media that you forget to live life. I mean, obviously social media now, the social, say, the beauty standards, the unrealistic achievable standards, they've crawled in everybody's mind and subconscious so much that people have started hating themselves.
Yeah.
And they've actually started being, they've been trying to, you know, achieve something that is not even real for that matter. So many things, so many content pieces are edited, are filtered, and are not natural. So I just feel if you are posting something, it is also important to keep in mind, not just for the creators but also the people consuming that content, that everybody only posts their best. Nobody posts their failures, nobody
Yes.
posts their lows. But आते सबकी life में है. So I mean, social media is just what you decide to post. I mean, I see a lot of people who also have that conception that अगर आप social media पे बहुत active हो तो आपकी life में कोई privacy नहीं है. Again, that also depends on you, because I can be very active on social media, but you can also not know personal details about my
Yeah.
life if I don't choose to share that on social media. So I guess it all depends on you. But ये भी हो रहा है कि अभी काफी लोग non-filtered post कर रहे हैं, and consumers भी, जो followers भी हैं, वो भी काफी you know, they've also become very known to the fact that things are filtered, things are unrealistic, and everybody has their highs and lows. So I guess it's changing gradually, but it still needs space to come into full effect.
As a content creator, don't you think that somewhere it is our responsibility as well to portray the right picture on social media?
100%. But see, इसमें भी दो sides हैं. अब मैं इतना दो sides कर रही हूँ for every question. But honestly, इसमें भी दो sides हैं. I mean, obviously you have to be real to your audience, but also competition इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है. I mean, even for acting, touch wood, because I've been in this industry since my childhood, so people know me. But for a lot of newcomers, I've been told and I've seen that audition criteria में आपके number of followers are also a criteria. पहले portfolios होते थे. Now your Instagram page has become your
Yes,
portfolio, so you have to be your best.
Yes.
So it all again depends on the end goal.
So what do you think about, like, you know, buying the fake followers and then buying
नहीं यार.
likes and that whole pressure of
नहीं, I've never done that, touch wood. But I guess that's unnecessary pressure then. हाँ, एक number game है, but I don't know, I just don't feel that's right personally. If you talk about my personal choice, I don't think so that's the right thing. I mean, I've always preferred quality over quantity, and जितने भी लोग मुझे follow करते हैं, even if I have followers less than, say, an XYZ creator, I'm okay with it, because I know, one, half of my followers come from the people who watched me on shows, and second, जो बाकी followers भी हैं मेरे, they love me for who I am naturally.
Yeah.
I'm not buying them to follow me, I'm not buying likes. So I just don't feel that's right personally. But then again, everybody has their own reasons, I guess.
So Ashnoor, as you said, you never take pressure of such things. Though you have 10 million followers, इसमें तो मतलब इंसान क्या ही pressure लेगा यार? मतलब कहाँ पहुँचना है? But do you like ever get upset with the kind of comments you get on social media, the trolls, like hatred? At times there are people you don't even know them,
Yeah.
but they pass such comments. You feel like
Yes.
you question your own self in spite
right.
of being how much ever confident you feel like. So how do you deal with it?
I block them. You don't get to stress me out on my own phone. I'm sorry. I block left, right, center. I literally have so many accounts blocked, restricted. But yes, I would say that I feel sad for such people, because एक तो आप फेसलेस हो, सेकेंडली इट्स लाइक यू हैव सो मच नेगेटिविटी इनसाइड यू, आप खुद की लाइफ से इतने परेशान हो, तभी आपके पास जाके टाइम आएगा ना कि आप दूसरों पे या जाके हेट्रेड स्प्रेड करो. एंड थर्ड, आई वुड से आई जस्ट लव माई फैंस. लाइक आई डोंट इवन नीड टू से एनीथिंग और नीड टू डू एनीथिंग. दे वुड जस्ट मतलब सुना देंगे आई स्वेयर, एंड लाइक लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर कि वो बाद में बेचारा कुछ बोलने लायक ही नहीं बचेगा. सो दैट वे आई एम सॉर्टेड.
So similar thing happens with me a lot of times, that if I'll post something, so there will be like, you know, hatred or some
Yeah.
mean comment. So usually my husband Malav always goes and comments them back.
I love it.
always do that. And I never say anything because, as you said, the best part is the fans that you have.
Yes.
They troll them so badly, and I
Yes.
love reading that section.
Yes.
That is like so good. You feel so amazing
And
about
I
yourself
guess
that you have people.
Yeah, and the best part is that they don't even know you personally.
Yeah.
But they just are defending you, and that's just so beautiful in itself.
Yeah, so somewhere there you feel that yes, social media is there where you can actually connect with your fans and they connect back with you.
Yes.
So do you have your parents on your social media as well?
Yeah, I
They
got
follow
them
you?
on Instagram. I was like, you have to be there. I create so many reels with them as well.
Because you're from the industry, these comments, these trolls, they don't affect you. But has it ever happened कि घर में इस पे कभी डिस्कशन हुआ हो, कोई खराब कमेंट आया हो, मम्मा या पापा कभी परेशान हुए हो, उन्होंने कभी कोई सजेशन दिया हो?
See, they have been very protective for me. In fact, initially, मेरे mom ही handle करते थे मेरा social media when I was a child.
Yeah, 5, 7, 6 years.
Yeah. No, I mean, तब तो I wasn't even on social media. I came on social media when I was like 12, 13 से. So उस time भी, you know, सब कुछ mom को दिखा के. In fact, even till date, if I have to post something, I was like, mom, I'm posting this. Is this fine?
That's so cute.
That happens. But yeah, I mean, a lot of times people do go to that extent that they tag my parents and all of that, and that genuinely is not right. I mean, you're intruding somebody's personal space, you're going on somebody's family. So people really need to know where to draw a line. Because, chalo, mere parents have been in this industry with me since the beginning. So they know how the industry works and where to draw a line and कौन सी चीज़ को इफेक्ट नहीं करने देना चाहिए. बट हर किसी के पेरेंट्स ऐसे नहीं होते हैं. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दोज छोटे छोटे फैक्टर्स द इंडस्ट्री इज लुक्ड एट एज अ नेगेटिव स्पेस टू बी इन, एंड इट इज नॉट. इट इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल इंडस्ट्री.
100%.
नेगेटिविटी हर इंडस्ट्री में होती है. नेपोटिज्म भी अगर आप बोलो है इंडस्ट्री में, बट कहाँ नहीं है.
सब जगह होता है.
कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में भी होता
Like
है,
say if
बिजनेस में भी
somebody is
होता है.
creating a business, they'll give it to their kids.
Exactly.
They're not going to give it to neighbors because someone
Exactly.
Sharma ji ka beta is more talented.
Yeah,
No.
that does not happen.
Yeah.
But obviously, because the media is such a powerful tool and people like to see what's happening in the lives of public figures per se, वो ज़्यादा highlight हो जाता है.
Yeah.
So that's there. But yeah, I mean, I remember when I was like say 14, 15, my dad sat me down and he was like, I need to talk to you. And he said that first he talked to me about peer pressure, that you know you should never do things under pressure of just being socially acceptable. And after having said that, he also came to social media saying that yes, you are out there and yes, not everybody is going to love you, and that's okay. Because you don't have to be liked by everyone. अगर 10 लोग हैं उसमें से 8 लोग आपको पसंद करेंगे, लेकिन 2 लोग ऐसे होंगे who will spread hatred even if there is no reason to, but they would just do that for the sake of doing that. So you just have to know where to block that, put that mental block to the negativity. Constructive criticism is one thing, but unnecessary negativity लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है.
That's so sweet, yeah. He's so cool.
he is very cool.
But tell me one thing. आपने मिस्टर हिरानी के साथ काम किया है. So when you went for the audition, क्या वहाँ पे प्रेशर फील किया था? I mean, how was it? And how was the feeling when you got the role? Like you informed your family, friends, पिंड में बताया था कि अश्नूर select हो गई है संजू फिल्म के लिए. I mean, imagine such a big thing. So please share your experience.
So I don't remember it utna vividly, but yes, it was through Mukesh Abra casting, and we just gone for the audition. It was a small cameo, and उन्होंने एक बहुत ही impromptu type का audition लिया था. After a few days, I guess we'd forgotten about it. It was like हाँ ठीक है, हो गया होगा किसी का. Then we get a call like you're selected. I was like, oh my god. So ऐसे call करके सबको नहीं बताया था. But yes, obviously mom, dad, me, we were all very happy. And then when I went on set, it was a little, I had like cold feet. It was a little nervous sort of a situation for me because मेरा first time था एक किसी भी film set पे. And the moment I went there, उन्होंने मुझे एक wig पहनवाई थी because Priya Dutt had a bob cut. As soon as I went on set, Rajkumar Hirani sir was like, oh my god, my pretty girl is here, come, come. And then he made me so comfortable. I mean, all of us used to sit in the same room, me, Ranbir Bhaiya, Manisha Kurala ma'am, Paresh Rawal sir. And then Raju sir is talking to me about how Anushka Sharma also had a wig in PK. And you know, he's making me feel so comfortable on the set कि मुझे ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मैं mid schedule आई हूँ, इतने बड़े stars के साथ काम कर रही हूँ. It was a very comfortable experience for me. And not only that, even with Anurag Kashyap sir, when I did Manmarziya, again through Mukesh Chabra casting. And I went on set, and the first thing that Anurag sir said to me was like, "Arey Ashnoor, come, I loved your audition, come sit." And he made me feel so comfortable again. So I've always seen all these big people, उनमें कोई भी ऐसा शोशा नहीं होता. In fact, they always are so humble and they always make you feel so comfortable that you feel like, wow, yaar, this is how it should be.
That's what I've always heard, that more successful you are, more humble you become.
Yes.
And that's how it should be.
Exactly.
So Ashnoor, now it's been a while, you were on a break. Like, I think for almost 3 years you were on a break.
Yes.
So would you like to tell us that, was it intentional? Was it because of COVID? What exactly happened? Why you took a break after Patiala Babes?
Yeah, obviously COVID तो था ही, lockdown हो गया, but then we were still under the impression that the show is going to come back on air 1 week, 2 weeks, almost like say 20 days, and then we get the news that the channel has decided to get the show off. It was a big shocker to all of us because the last night that we were shooting, literally ऐसा हो गया कि हाँ ठीक है हम मिलते हैं 3 दिन बाद मिलते हैं, क्योंकि उस टाइम 3 days का लॉकडाउन था. लेकिन चलो 3 दिन बाद मिलते हैं, रेस्ट करेंगे, मजे करेंगे, सोएंगे, स्केड्यूल से थोड़ा ब्रेक मिला है. And outside, in fact, we were singing that song Yamma Yamma. We were playing Antakshari क्योंकि time था थोड़ा short के लिए. And there was this line which said that बस आज की रात है जिंदगी, कल हम कहाँ तुम कहाँ. And it actually came true.
Yeah.
So it was a very I mean, it was a shocker to all of us, and it was unexpected. So yes, that was a difficult time because I was very attached to the show, honestly. So I took a break from TV. While I was enjoying college life, it was difficult for me to stay off set because आदत नहीं है. I've always been doing some show or the other. तो अचानक से that break, even though intentional, even though I was getting calls for TV shows almost every day, but ये था कि नहीं, अगर decide किया है break लेने का, then let's just get done with it. So now that my college is over, I have graduated. This year I'm going to give it to myself, probably assist in direction. I'm also interested in direction, explore a few more things, and yeah, then let's see where destiny takes me.
What do you exactly want to do? Like, अंदर से क्या मन करता है that you want to continue being an influencer? Yeah, you want to do web, or you want to do films, or as you said, you want to explore direction. So what exactly you want to be? What's that inner feeling for you?
यार influencer का तो हमेशा मेरा side by side ही हुआ. Again, as I said, it was more so a thing that I was giving my viewers a sneak peek into my life. That's never been a career for me as such. Acting's always been the main goal. So yes, I mean, अंदर से feeling यही है कि अच्छे roles करने हैं, you know, performance oriented roles करने हैं, wherein I push my own self to give my best, to explore things I haven't explored in myself, challenging characters करने हैं. Whatever the platform may be, I guess abhi we've expanded so much and things have kind of mixed up so much, all the platforms, especially with the coming of OTT. I think no matter what the platform now, audience just wants good content, and if you give them that, it's just gonna work out. So my main focus right now is good projects with good storylines and good performance oriented roles.
That's amazing. And before we end the show, we are going to have a rapid fire with you.
Okay.
But before that, I want to ask you a question. I see you every single day in the gym. Okay.
Yes.
So tell me about your fitness. Tell me how it all started. Was it because you heard something from people on Instagram? Yeah, you just do it to stay fit and healthy.
So the thing is, I am not genetically blessed with a lean body, but the thing being, because of the demands of the profession that I am in, and also because you look, you can say almost double of what you are on screen. It is required for me to stay in a particular shape, to stay a particular size. No matter how wrong it sounds, I mean, I'm all in for body positivity and being healthy rather than being lean or being slim. But the profession that I have chosen, it requires me to be a certain way. And मैं नहीं हूँ उनमें से कि मैं कुछ भी खा लूँगी एंड जस्ट यू नो मुझे इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. मुझे बहुत इफेक्ट होता है. मैं इतना सा भी खाऊंगी, मेरे नेक्स्ट डे मेरे फेस पे दिखने लगेगा. सो I mean, I won't conceal things saying that, oh, I can just go easy on myself and I just have a balanced diet. No, I have to restrict myself. I have to control myself. मेरा बहुत on off रहता है. I mean, I'm still trying to understand my body.
Punjabi, for God's sake,
Yeah.
how can we control food?
Yeah, but I mean, I have my dad's body. I have my dad's body structure. Like, these are my shoulders. I am pretty broad. Like, I have a proper Punjabi body.
Yeah.
एक तो वो add on हो जाता है because I'm any which way broad and I look like a सरदारनी.
Yeah.
तो मुझे ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. I mean, even right now, I'm a little on the heavier side and I have a long way to go when it comes to fitness. So बस उसी की कोशिश है achieve करने की. And I guess that should be a part and parcel, not just to look a certain way. I mean, obviously, being in the industry, it is required. But even otherwise, and in fact, I tell my mom also that, you know, you should come to the gym, not just to look a certain way, but to feel a certain way, to feel strong from within, to feel healthy from within, and not feel weak.
Yeah.
I just feel exercise gives you that power boost, that motivation, and not just physically, but also you mentally become strong somehow. I don't know what's the connection, but yeah, that happens.
Yeah, those happy hormones, you know,
Yes.
which you create in the gym.
Yes.
So, okay, now let's start our rapid fire round.
Let's do this.
And I want answers
Rapidly.
okay. 10 million followers on Instagram or 1 million in your bank account.
1 million in my bank account, 10 million already hai.
Okay, if you could go back in time and change something, what it would be?
I did this, okay, I got this one show for one of the leading OTTs. Amazing story, blah blah whatever, but I said no to it for a very silly reason at that time, but I guess abhi I should have done that. Yeah.
I wish. Okay, one lesson that you took a long time to learn.
That not everybody who's good to your face actually wishes good for you.
What do you wish you could reconnect with? Maybe a person or something, like some activity that...
I started skating when I was a kid, but then I discontinued that because of acting. But I mean, I should have, I wanted to reconnect with it.
Try again. Okay. Do you have a favorite family tradition?
Every New Year we go to Nanded, Hajur Sahib, to celebrate New Year's. We've been doing that for the past 6-7 years now. So that's like this one road trip that we do in the year. So that's my favorite family tradition.
That's beautiful, actually. Okay. What you would be doing exactly after 10 years?
After 10 years, I guess, एक दो पेंटहाउस होंगे, एक प्राइवेट जेट, एक क्रूज, एक बिजनेस होंगे एक दो, एंड फिल्म्स वगैरह कर ली होंगी, ऑस्कर की तगार में होंगे. Let's see.
Okay. So now this is for all the guys out there. Ashnoor, what would your dream proposal scenario be like? How would you like a guy to ask you out?
अरे यार, ये तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं उसके बारे में. But I'll tell you one thing. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm deviating a little from the rapid fire. But my mom loves to talk about my marriage, and dad hates it. So I mean, whatever. That's not related. I mean, anyways,
Punjabi moms.
I
हम
know.
पैदा होते हैं, and I think.
Oh, you know
they
what will
start
happen?
thinking.
You know what will happen? So like, if she sees like some career, you know, that's really good and nice, and you know, she's like, अच्छा ये career भी अच्छा है ना. I was like, मेरे लिए बोल रहे होंगे ना. इसमें से ही किसी से शादी करना ना. I'm not even 20 yet. But anyway, dream proposal, I've not thought about it as such, but it should be thoughtful. It should be personal. It has to be recorded somehow without me knowing. It should be a surprise. I mean, I would love it somewhere in nature. I'm a beach person or like a mountain person or something like that. I don't know.
So guys, somewhere in Maldives, middle of the
Maldives नहीं जा
ocean.
सकते अभी.
Oh, हाँ, sorry. Okay, so it's Andamans. She can go to Andamans because
Yeah.
Lakshadweep तो overbooked है.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, take her to Andaman, somewhere in middle of the ocean. You can try your luck.
Yes.
Cool. Now this one I feel is going to be a little difficult. Tell me your favorite director. Mr. Hirani or Mr. Kashyap?
Oh no, I can't do that. I can't do that.
It's a rapid fire.
But I guess I spent longer with Anurag Kashyap sir, so him.
Okay. Your favorite influencer? Avneet, Jannat, Siddharth और चिंकी विंकी?
यार ये नहीं कर रही मैं, सारे मेरे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स है, ये कैसा वाशनूर कौर?
Okay, मालव दोस्ती तोड़वाने वाला है. What's your favorite sport? Cricket, badminton, football or tennis?
Badminton.
Okay. And who's your favorite person to follow on Instagram?
Oh, no options in this?
No.
Oh no, Ziggy.
Okay.
My dog.
So Ashnoor, it was lovely chatting with you and we really hope कि आपने जो कुछ भी कहा कि 10 साल के बाद आप अपने आप को जहां भी देखती हैं, we really pray to God कि आप सचमुच वहां पर हो. Guys, it was amazing to have Ashnoor and please keep watching Chatterbox. Subscribe to our channel, like this one, comment about it कि आपको कैसा लगा, आप किस किस celebrities को यहाँ पर देखना चाहते हैं. And please do not forget to share this with your friends and all the Ashnoor fans out there. Please share this as much as you can, as much as you want to. Drop your love for Ashnoor here in comment box.